doing, Michelle? And this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today I am indoors on a hot day in July. And I'm trying to stay cool because yesterday I overheated a bit. And basically, thank goodness for Uber because I was able to get myself home after running. But I thought we're going to be quick errands. I didn't realize that the temperature had gone up past 100 degrees in New York City yesterday, the time that I was out. Because I asked the cab driver, I said, what's the temperature outside? And he goes, 100. I go, that'll explain why I'm not suddenly feeling well. But I'm feeling better now. I got overheated. I cooled off with a cool shower and just chilled for the rest of the day. And now I am back to film my subsequent why I went to the post office in the first place. And that was to get my Ipsy box. Beauty is pain. What can I tell you? Beauty is pain. Let's dive in and see what's inside, shall we? And I'm trying to remember if this was extra stuff I ordered because Ipsy has so many sales going on, like their edit sale, their add-on sale. They have a clearance sale. They have a mega sale. They have so many sales going on throughout the year that even from box to box, it's like there's always something going on with Ipsy. So I think this is the regular Ipsy Boxycharm box. Yes, and this is for July 2024. Like I said, I just received it, so we're at the mid-mark of July, so I'm really thrilled about this. Okay, so there's the mega drop going on. I've already checked it out. If you are not signed up to Ipsy Boxycharm, I don't know what you're waiting for, especially if you're someone like me who is an avid beauty enthusiast. Hair care, skincare, makeup, that's my thing. So to see that they have like these sales, it's just so tempting. And then plus you have installment plans, so it's even easier for people who are ruled by their pocketbook to be able to order things like off season, so to say, or in between boxes, just to have, because they have some incredible prices. I know this video is not sponsored, it's not an ad for Ipsy. I just happen to enjoy my subscription boxes when I'm able to afford them. So this is an added bonus for me. So this month for July reads Passport and Glow. Vacay-worthy makeup, refreshing skincare, and transportive? Should be transportive. But transportive scents. Okay, let's move on. The first thing I have in here is from Roze and Quartz. And this is their Muse mask. Roze with a Z. Interesting. So I'm not sure. Well, it's a skincare thing, and if you follow my channel long enough, you know. Skincare, hair care, makeup, that's my thing. It has a lid on it. It has an interesting scent, but the way it hits me the same way as jasmine would. And although jasmine initially is nice, I tend to get a little, I hate to use the word ill or sick, but it just has that heady aroma that if I inhale too much of it, I have to step away. And I'm normally not sensitive to any kind of scents. But if you don't like any scents, this is not going to be for you. But I just want to see, it's very thick. I mean, look at that. You can see that. Wow. So this is hydrating and silicone free. I don't know if this is for the hair or for the skin. It would be great if it was for the hair. But yeah. I will put the description somewhere in this video so you will know what it is. Sometimes I get to choose what's in my box. Sometimes I don't. I don't think I chose this month, but that's okay. All right. The next thing that I received from Ipsy Boxycharm is from Tula. And this is their balanced skincare. Oh my goodness. Radiant Skin, Brightening Serum Skin Tint Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 30, UVA and UVB protection. This is so important. I did a video recently, I'll post it somewhere here, or at the end of the video, where I discuss about the importance of, if you're going to get a sunscreen, make sure it covers more than one ultraviolet ray. And A and B are considered the ones that, while good in small doses, it's not good for it to penetrate into your skin to the point that it may cause havoc on your actual skin cells. So you want something that covers those first two. I am overjoyed. And this is tinted in 05 Light Natural. I may post a video about this because Tula is rapidly becoming one of my fave brands. Plus it's skin friendly for sensitive skin and redhead friendly. So I appreciate that. The next thing I have in here is from Pear Nova. Now, I had gotten one of their palettes, eye palettes, which I thought was interesting. They have a liquid eyeliner, and I hope it's the color that I see on this box because I would appreciate that. What I love is that it has the bunny, and it's liquid eyeliner, and it's in chalk drop. Yes, so it is the color of the box. Love, love, love. Anything, yeah, I'm telling you, it's like the summer is not really meant, especially with these soaring temperatures, to really put on a ton of makeup. You want something that's skincare friendly and hair care friendly. I'm covering my head so I remember when I go outside to keep my head covered as well. Oh, this is gorgeous. Pear Nova, look at that. And maybe that's the tip. Already loving it. Oh, look at that color payoff. Oh, so pretty. And like with most things, when you first open them, it's hydrated, you know, it's not dried out. And the color payoff is amazing. Oh, I love it. Chalk drop, like chocolate drop. Nice. The next thing I have in here is from Volition. I don't think I've heard of this brand before. And this is their, okay, it's in French. It's an overnight retinol serum, Semillon. I'm not pronouncing that right. Serum de nuit. Nuit. And I think that means night serum. So it has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So I am loving that. Okay, so far, this box is pretty darn good. And this is kind of heavy. This is definitely glass. Let's see if I can make you hear that. No, this is glass. This is plastic. I don't have anything glass to make that tin sound with it, but you know what I mean here. Let's see. There you go. It looks like it has a pump up here. This is what the bottle looks like. Ooh, something for nighttime. Love it. Love it. Because my skin takes a beating in the summertime. And this is how it looks like here. It has the serum. Oh, look, see? You press the top. Press the top there, you can see it. I smell a very faint scent. I'm not sure what it is, but it's nice. It's not overbearing for me, but for anybody who has any kind of super mega sensitive reaction to scents, this may not be for you, but it's very light. I could tolerate it. I will definitely be trying this out. Never heard of the brand Volition. Have you? Let me know in the comments below. And I think this is the last but not least, and this is from African Botanics, and this is the Mineral Cleansing Mask. Again, Ipsy came through with the skincare this month. Of course, I can't wait to utilize my Tula. And I'm curious about some of these brands because I've never heard of them before, but I'm dying to use them. And of course, you know me with masks, skin masks, absolutely. Is this a skin mask? Please tell me. And it has kaolin, which is clay, and niacinamide. Resurrection plant Roze. I'm assuming this is for the face. I am loving this. What's the one thing that's missing? Of course, a lip product. I would have loved either a lip scrub or a lip balm that protects, that has SPF on it. That would have been chef's kiss. But otherwise, what I received here, absolutely awesome. I'm glad in the way that Ipsy just decided to give me what I want. And it also helps to have us fill out a form initially. And it's okay to occasionally go back and update it as necessary. But that's what I mean. If you're gonna be a brand, a beauty brand that asks people to fill out a form like what their skin needs are, hair care needs, all that, and what their preferences are as far as color and all that, then utilize it. And I'm loving that they didn't give me something. They gave me something a different color other than the standard uber black. They gave me something in brown, which is fine, beautiful. I would have loved also I'm gonna find out to see if they have something in like a plum. Love plum. That's another color that I love. So I'm thumbs up on this. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.